Make sure this is on. Okay, we're going to start with number 2. So our objective is to finish up solving special equation and inequality word problems, which is just consecutive integers. Review from yesterday. You guys told me that a consecutive integer or anything that's consecutive means it goes in order. Okay? How did we represent regular consecutive integers yesterday? So if I just asked you, how do you set up a problem if it's a consecutive integer? Luke B? Yep, awesome. So x plus 1, x plus 2, etc. Kyle, you were okay with this, right? Okay. What if it was an even consecutive integer? What is the first thing we always use to represent an even number or even integer? Anastasia? Good, 2x. If something is odd, what's the first number or expression we use to represent an odd integer? Brianna? Good job, 2x plus 1. Does that make sense to everyone before we move on? Okay, number 2, I had you guys do at the end of class and told you to make sure it was done for tomorrow. So number 2, what 3 integers did you guys get that add up to give you 48 and they are consecutive integers? Luke C? Good, 15, 16, and 17. And if you check that, 15 plus 16 plus 17 is 48, and they are all consecutive integers. They go in order. Does anyone need me to go into more detail on this or go over anything? No? All right, let's go on to 3. We're not going to do all of these, but I just want to make sure we do at least one of each type. Okay, number 3 says the sum of 3 consecutive even integers is 66. Our job is to find the 3 integers. So I'm going to make a table. And again, feel free, if you like these, go ahead and keep making them. If not, whatever you prefer, however you like to set these up. So 1, 2, 3, we have 3 consecutive even integers we need to find. You guys just told me if it's an even integer, the first one is 2x, second one is 2x plus 2, and third one is 2x plus 4. Luke B, are you left-handed or right-handed? Okay, why don't you try to write with your left hand? It's probably a little better than what you're doing. Okay? Just try. You might want to take their notes out of your binder too, because you know what I mean? All right. Okay, next step. We need to take everything that's in there, combine like terms. 2x plus 2x plus 2x is 6x. 4 plus 2 is 6. So all I did there, I told you yesterday, we would go right to the combine like terms part instead of writing everything out. From there, we're just going to solve for x. Remember, that's not our answer, though. We need to solve for x first and then plug it back in. We have 6x equals 60. Divide both sides by 6. You end up with x is 10. That's not our answer. What do we do now to find the answer? Anastasia? Good. Plug this back in for x. So I'm going to go back up to this chart. That 10 has to go in. 2 times 10 is 20. So that's our first answer. 2 times 10 is 20, plus 2 is 22. And then third one, 2 times 10 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So 20, 22, 24, and I'm going to write them down here. I'm not going to get too picky whether you write them here or not. Just make sure that your 3 consecutive even integers, in this case, add up to give us 66. Alina? Oh, okay. So do you understand why this is 2x, right? Okay, this is an even consecutive, an even integer. The next consecutive even integer, the one that comes right after that, but it's still even, is 2x plus 2. Because this is even, and let's say, all right, it's 20. To get to the next even integer, you have to add 2. After 22, to get to the next even integer, technically you add 2, but we're always going from the original one. Sure? If it's odd, Alina, it's 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. They're going to tell you in the problem. Okay. Anyone else? All right. Let's do number 4 together. Yeah, let's do number 4 together. Okay, number 4, the sum of 3 consecutive odd integers. So it tells you here we need to find 3 consecutive odd integers. I'm going to make a table again. Okay, 3 consecutive odd integers, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is the first expression that we're going to use if it's odd? Brian C? Good job. 2x plus 1. Alina, what's the next one? Good job. Brianna, what's the last one? Good job. 2x plus 5. So there's all of the expressions we're going to use to represent odd integer. After we combine like terms, what is our expression going to be? After we combine all those like terms. Gigi? Nope, nope. When you're adding, don't add exponents. Good job. Plus 9. And then set it equal to 57. So combine like terms, set it equal to what they told us to set it equal to. And now we're solving our equation. Go ahead and take a minute or less than that. Solve your equation. And I want someone to tell us, if you didn't already get it, what you got for x. Brian, you're really asking me that? Okay, Maddie, what did you get for x? Good. X is 8. When you plug 8 back in, Luke C., what did you get for the 3 consecutive odd integers? Yep. Yep. Good job. So 17, 19, and 21 are 3 consecutive odd integers that add up to 57. Question? No, it's not so bad, right? Questions on that? Give me a little head nod one way or the other. Are you guys finding this pretty easy? If you're not, give me a no. All right, let's flip it over. Let's go to some inequalities. Okay, number 5. We need to find the sum of, Kevin and Luke C. We need to find the sum of 3 consecutive integers, so just consecutive integers, that is at least 30. Now, the question here is, what are the smallest possible integers? At least translates to what inequality? At least. Brianna? Good. Greater than or equal to 30. At least. If it's just regular consecutive integers, what goes into our table? If it's just regular consecutive integers. Gigi? Okay, but this part, what goes in? Yep. 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 So regular consecutive integers, x plus 1, x plus 2. Kyle, after we add up these like terms, what are we putting here? Good. 3x plus 3. Okay, go ahead and solve that. And then when you get it, raise your hand. Andy, what did you get? Good job. X is greater than or equal to 9. Luke B, what are the 3 smallest integers that are at least 30? Good. 9, 10, and 11. So if you add those up, the sum of them is at least 30, because it is 30. Brian C? They have to be consecutive integers. They have to go in order. But good question. Alina? Okay. Okay. Good question. It's just regular consecutive integers. So it's not even, it's not odd. It's just like, all right, this could be 1, this could be 2, this could be 3. 1 plus 1 is 2, etc. 1 plus 2 is 3. So if it's just consecutive integers, you do not need the 2 in front. You only need the 2 there if it's even or odd. Okay? Anyone else? Okay, I want you guys to try one more here. Yeah, number 6. Okay, just number 6. When you're done, put your pencil down. Be careful. Number 6 says at most. Good. Good job. At most. Think about that again. At most. Good job. Good job. Are they still alive in there? Good. Oh, try that again. Consecutive odd. Did you read that wrong? Careful, guys. It says consecutive odd. You're good so far. You okay? Yeah, I thought you said something. All right, Anastasia, can you just tell us, after you combine like terms, what was your setup, your inequality? Good. After you combined like terms, what did you get? Five plus 3 plus 1. Good. Okay. All right, Madison, after you solved for x, what did you get? Good job. Marissa, what 3 consecutive odd integers is at most 81? Hold on, Marissa. Was this your chart? You didn't do a chart. Do you know where you messed up? You should have, just in case, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. What are you two doing? Okay. Marissa, you found it? Your mistake? Okay. Anna, can you tell us the 3 consecutive odd integers? Anna? Okay. Okay. Hey, I have Miss Wingrove in the back, so if you guys are messing around and you're lying to me, I don't think she's as nice as I am. Just wait. You'll see. I'm kidding. Hey, Brian. I'm kidding. But hey, just when I'm sitting back there the days she's up here, same thing. So you can't mess around with either of us. We know whether you're lying or not. You have eyes everywhere, right? We do. All right. Any questions on this? Okay. Here's what I need you guys to do then. You sure you're good? Okay. I'm going to give you this worksheet. Don't start yet. Eric. Yeah. No, you're going to try. You're okay, Luke. Brian, I'm going to give you another worksheet, okay? All right, 7th grade, put your name on this. Listen for a couple minutes. Okay, I'm not answering that question. Okay, so numbers 1 through 7 are just like we did on the notes. Okay, there's nothing new there. The chart is there. Don't feel like you have to use it, but I need your answer in the chart. Okay, so the 3 or 2 consecutive integers, whatever they are, even or odd or regular, make sure the answers are there. I need you to flip over to the second page for a second. And I need you to put a star next to numbers 11, 12, and 13. Actually, more like just 11 and 12. Sorry. 11 and 12 are a little bit tricky. If you can read carefully, you will be fine. Okay? We have about 20 minutes right now. Ms. Wingrove and I both have answer keys, so we can quickly check if you need help or just need checked. I want you to get started now. Okay, at the end of class, I'll let you know what you need to have done for Monday. Okay? Any questions?